This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for July 12th, 2022. It's currently June 20th, 2022, 11:23 p.m. We have a nullified theme card. Interesting. It's the overview card on the 1 month is the strife card, so decline most likely. We have the strife card here as well. I'm gonna actually notate that because I just picked that up now. So when I have a congruency between daily reading significator and a card on its overview, its corresponding overview, it's important. It gives it added weight. Oops. All right, so that's an important price level that we're going to fall from, guys. To reach the high, we're going to fall with consecutively lower spikes on the way down, and those spikes are going to meet moving averages most likely as their resistance levels. Behavior near the low is going to be bumping up along a resistance level. And the devil card, there's a fake out of some kind. It's nullified, however, so interesting. But remember, we're looking for that price level. I think the price level at the high obviously is going to be, to me, obviously is going to be the price level we want to notate, and I can say that because we have the sneak preview cards telling us to pay attention to a price level. The strife card is prominent. A strife card is a resistance level that we fall from, I should say. In a lot of cases, we meet a resistance level first, and then there's the decline with the consecutively lower spikes on the way down. We have sideways fluctuations with a bullish trend that precedes a decline in the pre-market. A move higher, successfully turning resistance into support right around the open. There's a piece of important news that came out in the post-market and a trough in the post-market. So we move higher right around the open, but then there's a decline out of that move higher in the first half hour with increasing momentum as we move forward in time. It looks like we maybe oversold a bit in between roughly 10 and 11, and we move higher there, or actually looks like we're probably oversold here. And we move higher around like the 11 o'clock hour, right around then, and we go from a day's low to a prominent high or trough, or a prominent high or crest for the day. Likely, I'd say this is going to be a spike, but not a high, so it'll be a prominent spike. And then we fail to break through resistance level, decline through key support here. There's a trade opportunity midday. And then a rally out of another trough or low with that spike higher. And in the midst of that rally, there's an opportunity to open up short positions, buy some puts, protection against long positions. There's a decline between roughly 2 and 3-ish, but out of that, we should say between somewhere around like the 2 o'clock hour, there's a bit of a decline, and then out of that, in the 2 to 3 o'clock hour-ish, we move higher. A full range almost, most likely. There's a U-shaped dip in the last hour, and 3 crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, confirming a bullish, or supposed to confirm a bullish trend right around the close. Looks like a crest right around the close, or a spike up right around the close, but we fall deep in the post-market, my friends. And that's July 12th, 2022. Hit that subscribe button. Pay it forward by sharing with your friends. And when you make money, pay some of that forward. And I'll see you on the next one.